Welcome to Yzee News. Will PTI's virtual strength translate into votes? The Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) recently held its first ever virtual power show, generating millions of views and top trends on social media. However, the real question remains, can the PTI convert its virtual strength into physical votes on the polling day? According to political expert Majid Nizami, the PTI faces challenges in obtaining nomination papers and converting social media strength into actual votes. As the PTI navigates through disruptions and obstacles, the upcoming general elections will test the party's ability to translate virtual support into tangible electoral success. These elections are not election, but selection of Nawaz Sharif. If PTI is not part of election, the legitimacy of election will be questionable. Global powers will not accept the results of these elections. Please like, share, and subscribe Yzee News.